Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Inkdot Butterflies.
Please cover tables before you begin. Fold your paper in half. Then use scissors to cut out the shape of the butterfly. Next, grab your paint. Apply paint to only one side of the butterfly. You don't need to fill up the entire surface. While the paint is still wet, fold your butterfly in half and press down lightly. Open your butterfly back up and allow to dry. Repeat with your two other butterflies.